Welcome back to Sandy Says. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the KNORR Alfredo broccoli pasta sides. So to start, you need just a pot to boil some water or a microwave. Add 1.5 cups cold water to the pot. Add a 1/2 cup low-fat milk is what the recipe says to the pot, but I use almond milk and it works fine. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. It says to use margarine. I just use plant butter. Any butter or margarine will work. And then bring that to a boil. While it's boiling, I rip open the package. Once your mixture is boiling, you're just going to take the packet and pour it in. Stir it. And then let this mixture return to a boil. Once that has been brought back to a boil, you are going to reduce your heat and then set the timer for 7 minutes and let that boil for 7 minutes. Once your 7 minutes is up, you're going to turn off your heat and then you want to let it stand for 2 minutes. After you let it sit for 2 minutes, it should be thick and then it is ready to eat.